today we are going to do a tier list for the top crypto. But before we do that, there is something very important I need to tell you. There is a bear hidden in the like button, so smash that like button and see if the bear goes away. Now finally we can begin. Let's start with the first coin here. By the way, this video is very, very serious, so you should take everything as I say as 100% truth and not do any research. I'm joking, by the way. So this first one is this Bitcoin Cash? More like a Bitcoin trash. Am I right? Or am I right? Come on. Now Chainlink. Chainlink is a tough one because if you think about it, what has Chainlink achieved so far? Let's say if Chainlink disappeared from the face of the earth, would anybody care? Well, not really. So it's trash. I'm sorry. It's trash. Now, Litecoin, I have to admit, I have a soft spot for Litecoin. But at the same time, it was kind of like a rug pull, but not really. At least they're doing something, and the transactions are cheap. And now they're actually doing a privacy setting when you send Litecoin. So I can respect that, but at the same time, do I want to buy it? I mean, it's okay. It's okay, let's be honest. Now, this is USDC. USDC is the stablecoin from Coinbase. And honestly, there's not much to complain here besides being Coinbase. They are audited, they are regulated, and I think it should be pretty, safe. So I will leave it in good. Now the next one is BUSD. BUSD, in my opinion, it is the best stablecoin. So if I had to hold one stablecoin for 10 years, I would hold BUSD for sure. So I'm gonna leave it at awesome. Now here is Solana. Solana, this is gonna be a very easy one. Solana is trash. Come on, this is pre-mined, just insane garbage. It's absolutely trash and it deserves to be in this category. Polkadot. Now, this is the same thing as with Chainlink, I think. If Polkadot went away, would anybody notice or care besides the people who are in the coin or people working there? I don't think so. We don't need it. Get out of here. Unicorn, oh great. You know what Uniswap does? It allows you to buy and sell shitcoins. So that's absolutely trash. We don't need that. That's a great disservice to the crypto community. Now, this is the one and only, the actual Bitcoin. This is gonna be legendary. There's no question about it. I'm not even gonna make arguments about it. It is. It just is. Now, Cardano. Cardano, I know there's a lot of fans about Cardano, but we have to be honest. It is a World Economic Forum partner. It is as much as establishment coin as you can think of. And for that reason alone, it will have to go to the trash. Sorry, Cardano fans, absolute trash. Dogecoin, I would say Dogecoin should be above Cardano, but at the same time, I won't say that Dogecoin is okay. It's trash. It's trash. Ethereum. Now, Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency in the market. I know it has a lot of utility. For example, you can buy shitcoins. You can create more shitcoins because of Ethereum. And you can buy NFTs. My God, Vitalik and his friends now want to turn from proof of work to proof of stake. The foundation is very shaky. They didn't knew what they were doing and now collapsing. It's absolutely trash coin. We don't need it. Let's get rid of it. And NFTs and all that garbage. Well done, Vitalik. Well done. Now, Tether. I want to say trash because it is trash, but at the same time, I still use it for Binance P2P because it has liquidity. So I would say okay. It's not something that I would actively buy, but I do use it occasionally when buying and selling crypto. And I like to not keep holding Tether for a long time, but I would say it's okay. Now, Ripple, the ultimate banker coin and also World Economic Forum partner, it's going straight to the trash, no question about it. And finally, BNB, which I think it is decent. Like, they didn't rug pull. I use it to get 25% discount on fees on the spot market. There's also fees, 10% on the futures that you can pay less if you pay with BNB. So I would say it's a good coin. Wait a minute. Where is Monero? I can't believe the person forgot about Monero. Okay, we don't have Monero, but pretend I'm holding here on my mouse, pretend I'm holding Monero. And I would definitely put Monero at awesome. Why? Because, we need privacy coins. That's something that we just need. And eventually, we might have to use it. I never bought Monero. I don't think it's a good investment, but I think it's a very useful tool. And for that, I would leave it in awesome category, along with BUSD. So this is my ranking. And please, if you still don't have a Binance account, do yourself a favor. Link will be in the description or in the pinned comment. 20% off your Binance trading fees for life, plus $50 sign-up bonus, welcome bonus, if your coin is listed in the trash category. Don't be upset, this is just a joke video, or is it?